For the first step, lift cover away from furniture at all corners and lay loosely on top. Then, move to end A and locate the two handles. Next, take the handles and lift the cover, bringing the handles together towards the center, ensuring the center seam folds down and in. After that, lay the cover flat on your furniture, straighten out fabric panels, and align all edges. Repeat these steps on the opposite side of the cover, end B. Next, fold each end in toward the center at the seam. For the last step, continue to fold both ends in towards the center until you have reached the desired length. As you can see, the Storigami product line's innovative construction allows the cover to fold down to a neat, manageable size, and includes directional guide arrows that highlight key steps to simplify the folding process. This specific design of the mountain and valley seams create an intuitive folding experience for all Classic Accessories customers.